So I asked you to do worksheet. Thank you for everyone that sent it in. I've got the form there as well. We'll go through that later together. So what I want to do first is just review some of the major things that we've been learning. So Lucy, what is an ecosystem?
An ecosystem is a place where living and non-living things live.
Not live, but what do they do? There's a word that we use for what do living and non-living things do. It begins with I. They interact together. So living and non-living things interact together. Pumpkin, what is a biotic factor?
The biotic factor is the living things.
Yeah, living things in an environment. Good job, well done. Kimmy, what are abiotic factors?
Abiotic factor is non-living thing.
Yeah, they are the non-living things. Good stuff. And Katie, what are abiotic factors in a desert? What are some examples of abiotic factors in deserts? Okay, no problem. Yes, hon?
Sand.
Sand is definitely one, yes. Okay, sand. Let's try. Hacker, what's another non-living part of the desert? Sand and what else? What's the weather like in the desert?
I think that was a soil.
Yes, sand is the soil. What else? What else do we got in the desert?
Water.
Warm, yeah, it's very hot. It's very hot, right? Very hot. Cherry, what's the abiotic factors in a rainforest?
Rock, sand, soil, air.
In a rainforest. In a rainforest, let's be specific.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, fine. Pat, good morning. Pat, what's the abiotic factors of a rainforest?
Rain,
Mm-hmm.
sunlight,
Yeah.
earth, rocks,
Fantastic. Cool. Billy, what's the top layer of the rainforest called?
The first, the layer is called the emergent layer.
Yeah, the emergent layer. Good stuff. Okay, let's try Pro. In a rainforest, where does most life live? Layer. Okay, no problem. Yes, Pat, go.
The canopy layer.
Yeah, the canopy layer. Okay, the canopy layer. Okay, good stuff. And Joey, good morning. What is pollination?
Pollination is when pollen from one flower moves to another.
Cool, good job. Winter, why do flowers need pollination?
To make seed.
Like seeds. Exactly. Cool, good job. And Cherry, what are some ways that flowers pollinate? How do they do that?
Bees come to flowers, and flowers, or wind.
Okay, good job. We'll take that. Pumpkin, why do bees go to flowers?
To take pollen.
No, not pollen. They get pollen stuck to them when they're there, but they don't go to take pollen. Hacker, why do bees go to flowers?
The bees go for drinking the nectar.
Yes, they go to drink the nectar. When they go to drink the nectar, then they get the pollen stuck to them. Okay, Winter, what are the name of the male parts of the flower?
Stamen.
Cool, good job. Pixie, what are the name of the female parts of the flower?
Ovary.
That's one of the names of it, yeah. But what's the name? Pistil. Yeah, good job, well done. What other animals help with pollination? We said bee. What are the other animals that can help? Crow. What's another one?
Butterfly.
Yeah, butterfly. What's one more? Who can tell me another one? Winter. Tell me another animal that helps with pollination.
A bee, a fruit bat.
Fruit bat, butterfly.
Butterfly, an insect.
Yeah, insects, hummingbirds, lots of things. Okay, cool. Billy, what's another way that plants depend on animals? We spoke about pollination, but what else do plants need animals for?
I think it is seed dispersal.
Yeah, seed dispersal. Good job. And Joey, why do plants need to spread their seeds really far?
So the female and male plants because the female and male plants need to combine together to make seeds.
Yeah, that's for pollination. That's definitely for seeds. But why do plants want their seeds to be far away from the original plant?
Because no, they can spread the seeds everywhere.
Yeah, but why do they want the seeds to be spread everywhere?
It is space.
Yeah, they need space. Yeah, exactly. Good job, Pro. They need space. Plants don't want to grow all in the same place. They can't grow all together because there won't be enough space for them. So yes, they need space. So what are two ways that plants make seeds easy for seed dispersal? What's the two ways that they do it? Plants use. We spoke about two ways that plants make seeds easy to move. What are they?
Wind.
Oh yeah, wind is one way definitely, but we didn't talk about that. But wind is definitely a way. We spoke about two in class and two from your book. One was fruit, and the other was what? Who can remember what the other one was? So we spoke about fruits, and we spoke about another way that seeds get moved around. So imagine there is a dog, and a dog is running through the field, and as the dog is running through the field, and it comes out on the other side, what gets stuck to it? What are stuck to the sides? There's seeds, right? So there are the two ways we spoke about are one, fruits. So the animals will eat the fruit and then through their waste, they will move the seeds to somewhere else. And then the second way is by sticking to the animal's fur. Who can tell me or who can think of a difference why some plants will grow fruits, why some plants will grow sticky seeds? Why do you think there's a difference? What do you think is different about those two places where they grow? Okay, let's try this. Lucy, where do you think a fruit will grow more? Hot weather or cold weather?
Hot weather.
Hot weather, okay. So fruits are going to grow in places where it's hot weather, okay. Kimmy, why do you think seeds that stick to animals' fur grow in cold places? Seeds that stick to animals' fur, they usually grow in cold places, okay? Why do you think so? I'm going to give you all the answer, okay, just to help you to understand this as well, okay? So we've been talking about ecosystems, we've been talking about biotic factors, we've been talking about abiotic factors. When you think about fruit is a biotic factor as well. It's something that's living. Fair enough, it's coming from a plant, but we say the plants are alive, so therefore fruit are living too. So when we have a fruit growing somewhere, it needs special things to grow in that area. It can't just grow the way it would normally in a cold place because it's not going to get what it needs to grow. So it works the exact same as an animal. And that's what you need to remember, is that when you're thinking about why a fruit will grow in one place compared to why a sticky seed will grow in another, well, think about what does the fruit need to grow. Is the fruit going to get that in a cold place? It's not probably going to get that. Again, you need to remember that fruits are designed to meet an animal's need, to meet the plant's need, to spread the seed, right? If a fruit grows in a place where there's no animals to eat the fruit, then there's no point in growing. It's just a waste of energy on the plant, and the plant won't do that. The plant's not going to waste its energy. So what I want you to think about is always about the needs of whatever that living thing is and how is it meeting this. And then always look at the abiotic factors as well. You can then make decisions and understandings about why fruit will grow in one place and it won't in the other when you think about what the fruit actually needs. Okay, good job everyone. So let me jump back in. So what we're going to do today is quickly just review a few more things, a few more questions. I want to quickly go through this, but what we'll do first is we'll play a quick game. What I'll do is I will give you 8 seconds to draw an animal on the screen. What we would need to do then is you need to guess what the animal is within that 8 seconds. So give you all an example. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Terrible. Absolutely awful. Han, what's this?
A bat.
A bat. Oh dear. No, it's definitely not a bat. Kimmy.
A crocodile.
A crocodile. Yes, it's supposed to be a crocodile, but it's not very good. Yes. Kimmy, have a go there, please. Okay. Yeah, so draw on the screen. I'll give you 8 seconds. You ready?
Okay.
You ready? Okay. 8 seconds. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh dear. No, dear. Belkang.
A butterfly.
A butterfly.
No.
No, not a butterfly. Yeah, I got no idea. Yeah, Billy.
It's a bat.
A bat. Yes, good job. Okay, Billy, you're up. Before we finish up for the day, we've got 10 minutes left. So what I want to do is I want to go through some questions with you just to make sure you fully understand what we've done, and hopefully we'll be able to quickly go through the worksheet as well. So we've looked at seed dispersal. So I want you to help me fill in these answers here. How do animals depend on plants? Plants produce what for animals to breathe? You can tell me what the answer is, please. Lucy.
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Good stuff. Question number 2. Something are eaten by caterpillars and rabbits. Kimmy, what are eaten by caterpillars and rabbits? Leaves and plants. Yes, okay, leaves and plants. Animals such as beetles eat plant what? Do beetles eat from plants? Winter.
Roots.
Roots, good job. Earthworms and some small snails eat plants that are what? So worms and some snails eat plants that are what? Rosie. So what type of plants do earthworms eat? Living or non-living?
Living.
No, it's non-living, okay? So remember, earthworms are decomposers. They eat non-living plants and snails, okay? Non-living, because when they die, then earthworms eat them, okay? They don't eat the live ones, they eat the ones that are dead. Plants are the main source of what entering food chains? Pat, what are plants the main source of what?
Energy.
Yes, it's energy, okay? So
There.
it's energy. So plants take in energy from the sun. When they take in energy from the sun, they make food. This energy is then transferred to other animals when they eat the plants, okay? Some animals, such as birds, use plants to build. What did they use as their home? So what do birds, oh no, don't freeze. Cherry.
A nest.
A nest, yeah, a nest. So that's the answer to the next one. Simple as. It's a nest. Plants help keep animals what from harm? So plants help keep animals what from harm? Safe from harm.
Ow.
It's safe from harm. Safe from harm. Okay, plants keep animals safe from harm. Okay, let's move on. This one really, really quickly before we finish up for the day. Number 1, part of the flower that holds the pollen and contains the male cells. What is this? Rosie, which letter? Part of the flower. G, yes, G, good stuff. Number 2, a sweet drink inside the flower. Which letter? Sweet drink is found inside a flower. Winter. Look at question number 2.
Nectar.
Nectar. Okay. Right, okay, look, we're going to run out of time. So, look, I'm going to send you this for your homework. It's very quick, very easy. Yeah, maybe. I'm not going to tell you the answer now. So, I'm going to send you this for your homework. Please do this as your homework. If you haven't completed the other worksheet, please try to get that done as well. So, does anybody have any questions about any of this? Super easy. It's not hard. Cherry, your plants look great. We'll definitely talk about them tomorrow, okay? Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Good to see you. See you later. Do your homework. Be good. Bye.